All right, these are the active K-Cup cleaning pods designed just for Keurig single-serve coffee machines like this one that use K-Cups. Regular K-Cup cleaning pod. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safe, nice looking packaging. Inside the package, you're going to get 12 cleaning pods. Already got one out. They look just like the regular K-Cup pods, but they're filled with a detergent that releases a deep, clean foam when you brew with them. They're fragrance-free with no lingering chemical smell or aftertaste. Super simple to use these. You just fill up your reservoir, place a mug under there. I'm going to use a clear glass so you can see what's going on. And I want to show you too. Pretty dirty. Let's get that fixed. You just insert one of these like a regular K-Cup, lower the handle, and you're going to want to run the largest brew size, usually 8 or 10 ounces. You're going to see like a foamy, milky output come out. That's the cleaning solution flushing through the system. It's going to target coffee oils, old grounds, residue buildup, that kind of stuff that accumulates over time. This happens mainly in the brew chamber where the pod sits, the K-Cup area, and where the needle that pierces the pod is. The foam flows through the brew path during the cycle, which includes the entrance needle, the internal tubing that carries the hot water, and the exit needle, and the spout where the brew comes out. So let's take a look at this. Yikes. This is going to help remove the stuff that can lead to stale or bitter taste in your coffee, reduce flavor, all that stuff. All right, now that we ran it through once, we're going to want to dump this. Now we're going to remove the cleaning pod. You can see where it's pierced. Now we're just going to run 1 or 2 plain cycles with no pod to rinse everything out. I'm probably going to do 2 because that's what I do. That's after 1. Still got some stuff in there. Doesn't look that good, does it? I want to point out while this is doing this too, that this doesn't remove mineral scale or lime scale. For a full maintenance routine, you're going to want to pair something like this with a descaler. My machine was filthy. I finally got it running pretty clean through here, and that's almost running a whole reservoir through of clean water after I did the pod. Then when you're done, you can just wipe out any excess stuff you have in here with a paper towel. So there you go. Something like this would be great for anyone who uses a Keurig daily or frequently and wants an easy way to maintain it at home. Great for obviously like an office break room, small business, that kind of stuff. Very nice.